Konnichiwa! Welcome back to NihonGo Quiz! Your fun destination for learning Japanese through quizzes. Today's theme is nature. Can you read these beautiful and common kanji related to the natural world? Choose the correct English meaning from the 4 options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer. So stay sharp and ready to paint your mind with colors and dive into nature. Let's get started! Time is up! The correct answer is flower. Hana means flower. It can be seen in words like hanabi or fireworks and hanaya or flower shop. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is rain. Amen means rain. You'll see it in the word like meaning heavy rain. What is this word? The correct answer is grass. Kusa is used in nature-related words like sagen meaning grassland. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is rock. Ishi is used in ishibashi or stone bridge. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is sky. Sora appears in Ra meaning blue sky. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is snow. Yuki is seen in Yukimat Shuri meaning snow festival. What is this word? The correct answer is forest. Mori is made up of the kanji of 3 trees representing a dense forest. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is grass field. The kanji for grass and field makes the kanji of sagen or grassland. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is island. Shinma appears in Shinmaguni meaning island nation. For the last word, be sure to get this right. Time is up! The correct answer is wind. Kaze shows up in typhoon meaning typhoon. Kaze can also mean common cold. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Still up for other Japanese quizzes? Click here for your next challenge. See you there!